What happens when you press the Opel GM OnStar button in 2023? Let's find out.
OnStar is beschikbaar in Europa tot 31 december 2020.
Was?
Druk nogmaals op de blauwe knop om uw account te activeren voor deze datum.
Das ist die purste Scheiße im wahrsten Sinne des Wortes. Eine Frechheit. I have no other words for it, Opel GM. Here are a couple of creative tips how you can make your Opel, Chevy or Vauxhall car smart again without paying for stupid subscriptions like OnStar that doesn't work anyways. Get back the SOS function that used to be on OnStar by buying a Nextbase Dash Cam with built-in SOS feature. In case there's a collision, the dash cam will automatically use your phone to call the emergency services and tell exactly where you are. Install an ODB2 Bluetooth reader in your car so you can get advanced diagnostics and erase all error codes for your Opel, GM, Chevrolet and Vauxhall vehicle. You don't need OnStar and pay for features to show you all these details. You can do it yourself for free. Download and install the MyChevy APK file from the APK Mirror Store online. By installing an older version of the MyChevy app, you can still connect via KeyPass via Bluetooth to your electric car. By doing so within a range of 10, 20, maybe 30 meters depending on how far you are and the signal and the walls of your home, you can see a lot of things for free, like the range of your car, the tire pressure, how far you've been driving, and what's best, the remote key fob within Bluetooth range. Lock and unlock your car, start and stop the preconditioning, and chase away nasty cats or birds that are too close to your car. Very handy. And if you go to some party and you really don't know anymore where you've parked your car, with the location services you can store the exact GPS location of your car and you can add a picture also. You will always be able to find back your electric car. You don't need to pay OnStar or any other company to do that. It's for free anyways, so why not use it? Install a Samsung SmartTag, Apple AirTag or Opel in your car, so you can always track it and see the location where it is in case you lose it or it's been stolen. If you're charging your electric car but you want to know when it's done when you charge it, for example from the wall socket at home, you can install a device that tells you exactly when the desired charge has been reached. You don't need to pay some company like OnStar or any other company that manufactures cars for that function. You can do it for free. Charge your car at home with an extension cord and hook up a smart socket to the device. That way you can see via the internet how much your car is charging and when it's full. You don't need to pay any companies like OnStar or Opel or whatever brand to do that. You can do that for free. Are you also irritated that Opel GM OnStar has stopped working in Europe? Are you fed up of paying these fees just to be able to use your car? Do you have an Opel Ampera and you want to replace OnStar the creative way? Let me know what you think about these suggestions I made in the comments below. And if you have any other ideas how we can make our electric cars from Opel GM smart again. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you.